it's important to have a consistent face to the brand? What a great question.
Well, if you're talking about so you being the face of the brand, I mean, if you are the brand, then yes. If like with video telepathy, we actually try to not so much make me the face of the brand for obviously for a lot of reasons, but um, but also because we have so much talent that we actually use our talent, and so kind of having a variety of talent, whether we're doing our ads or promos or whatever, it is actually kind of our face of the brand. It's because it just shows that we have quite a bit of diversity. So I would say it really depends on the brand. Sometimes the product is the actual face of the brand, and meaning that that's always the thing that's showcased. So I would say if something you want to build your own personal brand, or your personal brand is tied to your product, then yes. And if not, then no. And if you're talking about different actors and talent, so like say, was it a Flo was it she with Geico? Yeah. And then or the Geico Gecko, those are all faces of the brand, and those are all built on campaigns. But they also if you notice, those companies actually have multiple faces too, so they can transition in and out. So
The caveman.
one of the challenges of yeah, exactly, the Geico caveman, the emo hipster caveman. So
Right.
so what I would say, there is a danger too of pigeonholing you. So say you have a certain person or a spokesperson, even if it's not you that does it, then if that person goes away, or all of a sudden now wants $1 million a video or something like that, then you get kind of sucked into that. So I would say it depends